Hello and welcome to the VA Mastery School podcast series, where we dive deep into the ever-evolving world of technology and its impact on various industries. I'm your host, Lillian, and in today's episode, we'll explore the question, will artificial intelligence replace virtual assistant workforce? AI and virtual assistants have revolutionized the way we work and interact with technology. With advancements in artificial intelligence, there's a growing concern that the rise of intelligent machines could potentially replace human freelancers in the virtual assistant industry. So, in this episode, we're going to delve into this topic by discussing the current state of virtual assistants, the role of AI in the freelancer market, the potential advantages and disadvantages, and ultimately, whether virtual assistant freelancers are at risk of being replaced by AI. But before we dive in, let's first understand what virtual assistants and AI really are. Virtual assistants are self-employed individuals who provide an array of administrative, creative, or technical assistance to clients remotely. They handle tasks such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, conducting research, and various other administrative tasks. They play a crucial role in helping individuals and organizations streamline their processes and increase productivity. On the other hand, artificial intelligence refers to the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence, such as problem-solving, decision-making, and even natural language processing. AI technology is advancing rapidly, and its potential applications are vast. From voice recognition to chatbots, AI is becoming an integral part of various industries, including the virtual assistant market. Now that we have a basic understanding of both virtual assistants and AI, let's explore how AI is currently being used in the freelancer market. The emergence of AI-powered virtual assistants, such as Siri, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa, has already transformed the way we interact with technology. These virtual assistants utilize AI to understand user queries, provide relevant information, and perform tasks like setting reminders or playing music. In addition to these mainstream virtual assistants, AI-driven chatbots are being implemented by businesses to handle a wide range of customer inquiries, saving time and resources. AI-powered chatbots often use natural language processing to understand and respond to customer questions, providing immediate assistance without the need for human intervention. The integration of AI in the freelancer market is slowly becoming a reality, with companies exploring the idea of AI-powered virtual assistants for tasks like data analysis, content generation, and even project management. For example, AI algorithms can sift through vast amounts of data to identify trends, saving freelancers time and effort. While the integration of AI in the freelance market seems promising, we cannot overlook the potential advantages and disadvantages it may bring. First, let's discuss the advantages of AI-powered virtual assistants. AI algorithms can work tirelessly, 24/7, without the need for breaks or downtime. This means that freelancers can outsource some of their repetitive tasks to AI assistants while focusing on more complex and creative projects. Moreover, AI assistants can process information at incredible speeds, allowing freelancers to access relevant data quickly. Another advantage is cost-effectiveness. Hiring a human virtual assistant may require payment of a regular salary, benefits, and other associated costs. On the contrary, AI-powered virtual assistants can be more affordable, requiring only an initial investment in setup and maintenance. However, there are also potential disadvantages to consider. AI assistants lack human creativity, empathy, and critical thinking skills. They may struggle with complex tasks that involve nuanced decision-making or require human judgment. Moreover, AI assistants are limited by the data they are trained on, which can lead to biases or incomplete responses in certain situations. Now that we have explored the pros and cons of AI in the freelance market, let's examine whether virtual assistant freelancers are at risk of being replaced by AI. While AI-powered virtual assistants have made significant advancements, it is unlikely that they will fully replace human freelancers in the near future. Human touch and creativity remain essential in many aspects of the virtual assistant industry. Clients often prefer human interaction, as it provides a sense of personalized service and trust. There will always be tasks that require a human touch, such as handling delicate client conversations, understanding complex requirements, or adapting to unique situations. Virtual assistant freelancers possess the ability to adapt and learn quickly, making them an invaluable asset in the ever-changing business landscape. Moreover, the cost of implementing AI-powered virtual assistants across an entire organization can be substantial, making it less feasible for small businesses or freelance individuals. Human freelancers can provide tailored services at a competitive price, offering a level of customization that AI may struggle to match. In conclusion, while the integration of AI in the virtual assistant industry is inevitable and beneficial in many aspects, it is unlikely to replace human freelancers completely. AI-powered virtual assistants offer tremendous advantages in terms of cost, efficiency, and data processing. However, their limitations in creativity, judgment, and human interaction make human freelancers an indispensable part of the industry. So, if you're a virtual assistant freelancer, there's no need to fear the rise of AI. Instead, embrace it as a tool that can enhance your capabilities and efficiency, allowing you to focus on more complex and creative tasks. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the topic, will artificial intelligence replace virtual assistant workforce? I hope you found it informative and thought-provoking. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me on my social media handles, VA Mastery School. Don't forget to tune in to the next episode where we delve into another exciting technology-related topic. Until then, stay curious and embrace innovation. This is Lillian, signing off.